Poet Technologies drew heightened attention earlier in the session as investors and traders zeroed in on its perceived importance within the fast moving AI photonics and optical networking space. The renewed interest was driven largely by broader industry discussions around next generation optical platforms needed to support exploding AI workloads, where traditional electrical interconnects are increasingly viewed as a bottleneck. Community conversations emphasized Poet's patented optical interposer technology, which many believe offers a compelling solution for high bandwidth, low latency, and energy efficient data center connectivity. Supporters argue that as hyperscalers and chipmakers race to scale AI clusters, solutions that reduce power consumption and improve signal integrity without dramatically raising costs could see rapid adoption. Adding to the momentum, traders noted unusual options activity, interpreting it as positioning ahead of potential announcements or industry validation. This has fueled speculation that investors are anticipating news related to partnerships, customer engagements, or production milestones, especially as the photonics sector gains strategic importance across AI infrastructure buildouts. Sentiment across retail and speculative trading circles remains cautiously bullish. While some participants acknowledge execution risk and the competitive landscape, many view Poet as levered to a secular shift toward optical interconnects in data centers. As a result, shareholders are closely monitoring developments, believing that confirmation of commercial traction or expanded industry recognition could act as a catalyst for renewed upside in the stock.
Yes, the stock is up 13.31%. This is the open interest we're talking about here. Okay, so on the $9 strike, we have 10,000 and 10,300. Okay, quite a high one on the $8 strike, just hovering around there. So um, delta is only $0.6, but if the price continues to strengthen, you may find out that the delta will increase. So as things stand right now, normally you would expect that the market makers would have bought 3.1 million shares to cover to hedge their to hedge these contracts they've sold, but it will be actually less than that, so as prices rise, then they will continue to increase. So this delta determines everything. You can see here they have bought more than 10 million, sorry, more than 1 million shares, and in this case, what, more than 2.1 million shares, so yeah, they surely, no doubt about that, open interests, especially on this January 16 call series, I mean option series, call series, yeah, but it's they're expiring this Friday, so the market makers will be hoping that they all expire worthless. Nothing very much on the other series, on the February 20 series, nothing much there. Underlying trend strongly bullish. The extrapolation seems to be suggesting that it may hold the strength it has. It picked up, as a matter of fact. It has been showing a lot of strength, or rather, it's been in a short-term bullish trend since the 18th of November. Yeah, yeah, everything. All the moving averages, short, intermediate, medium, are all in bullish trends. So it's expected that this trend it has picked up, especially of late, especially since today. No, not even today. Since today is expected to remain in place up till Thursday, the 22nd of January. Okay, projections are currently saying 8.28, 9.08, 9.57. Momentum is expected to begin to decline from tomorrow, from today as well, no, from tomorrow the 15th, and it's not expected to test the sort of levels it's currently at. It closed at as of today. Not expected to reach there anytime soon. We could also, in terms of price, we could also have a look and see whether we can see any intraday high that it's printed today. Yeah, 8.26, 8.26. Do we have anything of that sort? in terms of, yeah, we have a projection 8.28. So it has already tested that projection on the 4 hour chart. Let's see what we have. Yeah, it seems it may start to contract this expansion. And after that, it may go into a consolidation. Yeah. Projections are currently saying 8.1, 8.1, nothing further up. Okay, momentum is expected to continue to weaken as well. We could also try and see what the market grid is going to give us in terms of possible prices. Yeah, even higher prices. We have up to 8.57. Let's see what we have. Yes, up to $8.7, and it's currently at 8.11. So it's in between the resistance and the supports, just somewhat neutral right now. Okay, so that's what's going on. The stock was trending earlier on. Just have a look and see what you make of POET. And thank you very much for watching this video.